Copyright Objection Services. Filings Corner expert support to resolve copyright objections. At Filings Corner, we assist individuals and businesses in handling copyright objections, whether you need to respond to an objection or file one against another work. Our legal experts, including CAs, CSs, advocates, and lawyers, provide strategic solutions to safeguard your rights. What is a copyright objection? A copyright objection arises when your application is objected to due to originality concerns, missing documents, or ownership disputes. You need to challenge another work that infringes on your intellectual property. Timely action is crucial to avoid rejection and ensure legal protection. How we assist. 1. Responding to a copyright objection. Common reasons for objections: lack of originality or uniqueness, incorrect or missing application details, conflicting claims by third parties. Our services: objection analysis, review the notice and identify legal grounds for response, drafting a reply, address concerns with strong supporting evidence, representation, handle hearings before the Copyright Office if required. 2. Filing a copyright objection. If another work violates your rights, you can file an objection within 60 days of publication. How we help: examine the conflicting work and establish legal grounds. Draft and submit an objection notice with relevant legal citations. Monitor progress and handle follow-ups. Copyright objection process. Step 1. File an objection notice with evidence. Step 2. The opposing party must respond within 30 days. Step 3. Attend hearings if required. Step 4. The Copyright Office issues a final decision. Failure to respond may result in application rejection or loss of rights. Documents required: objection notice, a formal document citing legal concerns, proof of ownership, copyright registration certificate or drafts, supporting evidence, prior work samples, timestamps, or contracts. Legal references: citations from the Copyright Act, 1957, power of attorney, if appointing a legal representative. Fees for copyright objections: government fees. Usually, objections don't have additional fees unless a hearing is required. Professional fees starts from $5,000, depending on case complexity. Legal remedies for copyright infringement. If your copyright is violated, you can obtain an injunction, stop unauthorized use, seek compensation, claim damages for losses, seize infringing goods, prevent unauthorized distribution, file criminal charges for willful violations. Why choose Filings Corner? Experienced legal team, experts in copyright disputes, timely action, quick and effective resolution, transparent pricing, no hidden costs, end-to-end support, from drafting objections to representing you in hearings. Contact us today. Call now or visit www.filingscorner.com to resolve your copyright objections efficiently. Filings Corner, protecting your creative rights.